Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about ChatGPT in this list. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. Here you will install your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.